Hey guys, Jake here. Just in my garage. There's Shrek, and there's I haven't named him yet, but gonna be doing a little bit of work on the Grand Cherokee today. Check it out. So, listen to this. The struts in here. Ugh, they need to be replaced. So, gonna be replacing these today. Okay, so we got the old struts off. These are Torx 40. So they just came out like that, and then these are the new ones. They just screwed in, and there's a little ball on the end, and then just snaps over the ball. So we got new struts for the lift gate, and let's see how it works. Ooh, she's tight. Okay, so it closed good. Remember that noise it made when we opened it? Gone. And look at that, it's going up on its own. Sweet. So I managed to get this little project done. Took me like 15 minutes. Hardest part was trying to figure out, I didn't realize that the new strut snapped right over the ball. I thought there was a little clip. I thought you had to open the clip, put it on, and then